How'd she even get in there? Barbie, how'd you get in my sweater? How'd she get inside, Mom?
She looks like an elephant or like an ant
eater. How'd she get inside?
I don't know.
Barbie, can you get out of my sweater? You got yourself into it, like... She's looking around like someone's gonna help her. Barbie, get out of my sweater. Yeah. You're stretching it! You imbecile! Get out of it! Barbie, the light! Get away from it! Get out of my sweater! You're almost there. I wish you would have seen how she got herself in there. Yeah, Ma, how could you not video this stupid dog?
Oh my God.
Barbie, get...
She came out of the wardrobe, I'm like, what the hell are you doing?
It's not even like I have crumbs in my jacket or anything.
Huh?
I don't have anything in my jacket. Ew, Barbie. You reek. You're gonna stink up that jacket. I'm gonna have to burn it. Can you just get your head out? Barbie. Barbie. Come on, Barbie.
Oh my God.
How did you still not get it off? Like, Ginger, help her.
Yeah, did you see Ginger snapping her like, what the hell did you do, bitch?
Because she's retarded. Come on, Barbie. You can do it. You're going to suffocate yourself. Am I retarded? Yes, I am. Yes, I am. Barbie. You're going to hit your head on that. I guess you have good style, Barbie. That's the bright side.
Did you know she did that?
No. I don't even know how she did that. Like, why would she be all up in my jacket sleeve? And how do you not know how to take off something?
You know how she takes and rubs her face?
Yeah, but she should be able to take it off.
So she was doing it, and I think she just, the luck of the draw, she got hooked in the thing.
Barbie, you're going to knock yourself out.
Well, when your brother gets out, you have to show him the video.
Okay. Oh my God, she's using the noggin. Come on, Barbie. Barbie, get your stink breath out of my jacket. You know I'm going to go to school and wear that and people are going to be like, not even want to sit next to me. Because your breath. It's just all up in there. Because you're retarded. I'm retarded. Who's retarded? Barbie's retarded. Yes, shake your head up and down. You keep nuzzling yourself closer and closer in my jacket. Should I just help you? Haven't you suffered enough? It's not like I even did it to you. You did it to yourself. You know what that's called, Barbie? Doing it to yourself. Oh, look, I'm Barbie. I'm going to run to my TV. Oh, TV. Oh, look, a TV. That kind of hurt. Barbie, you're coming too close to me. Hi, Barbie. Hi, Barbie. Why are you rubbing yourself against me? Barbie. No, I'm not helping you. You did it to yourself, Barbie. That's my good jacket, too. Like, it's not like it's just a jacket that I don't wear. That's a good jacket. Barbie, just get yourself out of it, like. Yeah, I helped you out a little. Look, we're starting to see your ear pop out. You know what that means, Barbie? That you're closer to getting out. Just get yourself out. Oh, door. Oh, look, Barbie. Don't you want to know who's at the door? Wouldn't you like to know, Barbie? But you don't.
Hey, Ginger.
Hey, come in. Ah, you don't know, Barbie, do you? Shut up, Ginger. Barbie doesn't know who's there. Oh, she did this to herself. Mom, Miss Dottie's here.